we begin with the case study of the World Book Fair 2021 organized by the National Book Trust of India. So as you can see, we're right now on the main lobby area of the World Book Fair. As you can see, it looks like a basic design. The elements are not even properly laid out. Look at these banners. These banners look like they were made by a 3-year-old child on paint on Windows XP. I mean, really, is this the quality of an international event? I mean, is this the design capability you expect from somebody who is running an agency and working for topmost, I think, organization for books in India? I mean, look at the graphics of these banners. Most of these banners are blurred, completely blurred. Can you even read what's written there in Hindi? I don't think I can. Rashtriya Pustak Nyas Bharat is all that I can read. Below that, not readable at all. Okay, so once you've moved around in the hall and everything, you try to log in. Let's see what happens when you log in. So as soon as I click on login, my page has started to reload now, and it's an endless loop. I don't exactly know what the problem is, but it just keeps going on and on and on and on. This process will continue for a couple of more minutes. So I try to refresh my page, go back, and then come again. There I click on login again, and it's the same thing. And I now try to open it once again in an incognito tab. Skip the video, which isn't loading anyway. I'm actually on a very fast internet connection. Still doesn't load, huh? I think so now I have tried to log in again. I put in my first name, my email address, and I click on register. I click on login. Don't know what's happening. Is there any verification for this, or can any bot join in? I mean, are they trying to get fake registered visitors to this event or exhibition? Because I don't think there is a verification process involved. There is no two-step verification, no way to identify if a bot is coming. Okay, I'm now changing my internet connection just to make sure that I have the best bandwidth, but it doesn't seem like it's a problem with my internet. The UI is completely ridiculous though, not user friendly at all. It's very irritating, plus it doesn't look beautiful. Can't reach the login page again. I'm stuck. So far I've tried multiple times to just get into just try to log in, but it doesn't seem to work for me. So I try once again. Okay. So after trying multiple times from the left bar to get into the exhibition hall, I could not. So I had to click here in the middle button and get in. So let us look at their exhibition hall now. So now we're at a stall, which looks beautiful, by the way, if you know what I mean. Look at the design of this stall. It's completely out of place. I mean, does this even look like a stall? It just looks like some 2D graphic image where you can see misaligned logos, misaligned imagery, and a message that says something went wrong. Just look at the logo placement. A very small size logo placed on some sort of what looks like a front table to me. I don't know. Look at all the white space that is there. I mean, this is just plain Jane shoddy work. Okay, now I'm back in the exhibition hall, which is just. I mean, look at these banners. Look at the complete design. It looks like it's from 20 years ago. Again, there's nothing at all. I mean, look at the logo of the brand. It looks so small. I mean, if I am purchasing virtual real estate and I'm not even getting branding, then what am I paying for? I'm sure you've had a good look at the exhibition hall. So far, we've received no information about any brand. All we can see is one name and empty banners and logos that are not really visible. There's no about us page, no way to WhatsApp them, no way to video chat with them. There's literally no communication means apart from one chat window that actually doesn't work. And then look at this. Look at this window. I mean, the website is clearly the exhibition. It's clearly so badly designed. I'm clicking on publishers, and you can see as soon as I click, I can see Lorem Ipsum right there. Which means that the code hasn't been verified enough to correct such necessary grave errors. I mean, it's completely. It looks like somebody forgot to do the finishing at all. I can't even easily get to the side window. The arrow which we are using to get into the stall doesn't even remotely look like a button. Some buttons just don't work at all. Like, I mean, what is eFair directory? Why can't I get into it? And if I can't get into it, then why is the button there? In place of reception, all you can see is just one line. Theme, you can just see one small image which is not clickable at all. See, I'm trying to click it, but nothing is happening. Nothing at all at the author's corner as well. Look at the buttons on this stall, they're completely haywire. And where is the logo? I can't see a logo. I can just see a logo of NBT India, which is also incorrectly placed, completely eating up the design, if you would like to call this a design. Something just goes wrong every second now and then. I think you've had a fair view of how the stalls look like. Let's just move on. We're back in the main lobby. What is I261, I195? If I really want to come back and chat here with a lot of people, how will I identify who is who? Why can't I just have a name of the other person from the stall, or maybe of the brand name? Completely useless. And the best part, on the first day of the event, the website just crashed. And crashed how? I mean, that was just epic. So the website crashed, and as soon as you would log on to the page, it would just say account suspended. I mean, is this the kind of quality that we're expecting? Is this the kind of quality that we're really expecting from an organization that is holding an international event? Is this the kind of quality that we're expecting from somebody who's representing some organization, whoever the vendor is, people who are representing us at a national level? I mean, this is just, it's such a big spot on us while our country is trying to become the next superpower through tech and through, IT innovation. Is this what we have to show for us? I mean, this is completely ridiculous.